Hi everyone, today we'll be talking about core satellite strategy, and we will also be showing some profiles as examples. Core satellite is a strategy that works for investors with different investment experiences. It's also used by many financial institutes as a method of portfolio constructions. It is simple yet powerful for everyone. Core satellite strategy can be a combination of passive and active investing. It's built with diversification in mind, and this is ideal for individuals that does not have much time to invest but wishes to start somewhere. The core of the investment should be tracking the index to achieve long-term appreciation and low maintenance. The aim of the core investment is to improve the consistency of the returns and have a more favorable risk to reward ratio. The satellite portfolio can include higher risk investments that generate higher returns. They can be investments that you have high conviction in, such as overweighing it in certain sectors, or they can be investment in individual stocks. These satellite investments should not have a very high allocation to them as they are higher in risk. For our first example, we have Brandon. He's 27 years old working adult with an income of $3,800 and a monthly saving of $1,500. His investment experience is basic and wishes to invest $20,000 towards his renovation funds and to grow his wealth. His aim is to attain $50,000 for his renovation fund in 5 years' time and $500,000 in 20 years' time for his investment. He believes the future lies in technology and wants to invest in companies that are doing good for the environment. With the understanding of core satellite strategy and Syfe's portfolio, he constructed a portfolio that reflects what he is looking for. He chooses Syfe Core Balance as the balanced mix of equity and bond ETFs will help him to manage the risk while achieving moderate levels of potential returns over time for his renovation goal. For his other goal, he invested in Syfe Core Growth to let his wealth compound at higher returns with a longer time horizon. He invested in 2 thematic portfolios as satellite due to their nature being higher in risk. As you can see, Brandon is able to achieve his renovation goal of $50,000 by investing $8,000 at the start and a monthly contribution of $480 into core balance portfolio for 6 years. In his second goal, to achieve $500,000 within 20 years, he invested $12,000 and contributed $720 monthly towards core growth and his 2 satellite portfolio, which are destructive tech and ESG and clean energy. By staying consistent with his investment plan, he is able to attain more than $500,000 at the end of his investment goals. Investing can be done in a systematic manner with proper planning. Once you have identified your investment goal, you can adopt a simple strategy and stick to your investment plan and achieve your goals as compared to just saving by itself.